How to make money with Bitcoin in 2022. In this video, we will talk how we can make money with Bitcoin in 2022. First, we have to know what is Bitcoin. Understanding the real concept of Bitcoin is very easy. It's a computer file stored in a digital wallet app. The Bitcoin can be sent to the other person using your digital wallet. The other person can send Bitcoin to your wallet. It is not a physical asset, so don't focus on images displayed on website, as they are simply a representation of what digital currency will look like. You can also buy Bitcoin and hold it until its price increases. Which cryptocurrency wins the battle? In total, more than 5,000 cryptocurrencies are being traded with a total market capitalization worth more than 200 billion. However, the top three cryptocurrencies are considered most powerful include Bitcoin with a market capitalization, Ethereum with a market capitalization, Binance coins with a market capitalization. Know that you can got to know what Bitcoin is granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies. Moreover, it was the first cryptocurrency introduced the market. After its emergence, several other cryptocurrencies have also gained attention, such as Ripple, Litecoin, Bitcoin. Another reason for Bitcoin worldwide recognition that is numerous people have earned a lot of money with Bitcoin and become filthy rich. Therefore, it kept on gaining worldwide recognition. How to make money with Bitcoin? If that your question, then the wait is over. We have briefed you about the all basics of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, so now you are ready to get informed about the money making methods. Number one is mining. Your earnings are slowly based on the plan you have chosen and electricity bill raised at the facility where the cloud mining service is based. The number two, buy and hold Bitcoins. Many people believe in simple formula, for example, buying a competitively with the price. When the price is low, holding it until the iron become hot. The price increase and then sell, retain it further. Long-term investors usually follow this approach. You can invest and buy some Bitcoin if you think the price of Bitcoins will increase in the future. As soon as the price surge, sell it and enjoy the profit. Now we'll talk the number 3 point, the accept payment in Bitcoin. Many businesses today have started accepting Bitcoin as payment for providing their goods and services. If other businesses started, so why not you? Go for and accept Bitcoins as payment. Accepting Bitcoin as payment is a straightforward process. For instance, if you are running a physical product business, you can start accepting Bitcoin by simply putting a small sign at showroom, shop. Whereas if you are running an online business, use a payment merchant or put a banner on your home page. The best part is it will make your payment secure and expedite the payment process. Moreover, you can receive payments from any part of the world, that too hassle-free. All you need is Bitcoin wallet to receive Bitcoin as your payments. Thus, it eradicates the dependency on a third party for processing payments and also helps you avoid losses. Then now we'll talk number 5 is lending Bitcoin. The best part about making and accepting payments in Bitcoin that you need not require any authorities to validate it. Many websites may help you with lending services, including Bitcoin, Unchained Capital, and many others. Choosing a credible lending source is vital. Otherwise, you may end up losing all your Bitcoins. All the reliable lending platforms offer an interest rate of 15%. The number 6 point is micro earnings. If it is truly accepted that micro earning may not be enough to change your destiny, still it's definitely a reliable source of income, help you meet the daily expenditure and lifestyles. The number 7 is trading. Many people are trading Bitcoin and making plenty of money. Primarily professional traders analyze the trading chart, study the market, evaluate external factors, and are ready to take risks. A day trading. It's also called intraday trading, in which investors buy and sell a position within one single trading. The major benefit of day trading is you need to pay the overnight funding charges on your position. It is strategy with your optimize. People practicing trend trading position while holding. Earning through tips. The incentives offered by various organizations and software developers for finding our technical glitches or other systems are great source of earning and increasing your pay income. Primarily, they reward you for maintaining the system. Also, you may get to earn Bitcoin for improving their ecosystem for their users. What are the steps involved in Bitcoin trading? Analyze the factors affecting Bitcoin's price. The number 1 is up supply, integration, other events, external market factors. Number 2, choose a way you want to get exposure. It is imperative to know that what will you help the maximum exposure to Bitcoin. Listed below are 3 ways. Buying Bitcoin through an exchange. By trading Bitcoin derivatives, you can trade Bitcoin derivatives by speculating on this price with CFD contract for difference. It's finally contract which you pay the difference in settlement between open and closed trades. Know your limits. Guaranteed stops, normal stops, trailing stops. Keep a watch on your trade. It is one of the most important steps if you are trading in Bitcoins. Without monitoring your trade, you will know how the price is rising or falling, leading you to miss the right opportunity for buying or selling. So this was the video, friend. Hope you like this video.